Hey guys, I'm Chainsaw Chad, and it looks like a great day to do a little chainsaw carving. Today we're going to be carving a pair of angel wings. Tools we're going to be using today are a die grinder, sander, an angle grinder, jigsaw, and of course a chainsaw. I'm going to use an electric chainsaw for this video. It's a little less wobbly, little less power. There's some really delicate pieces and feathers that I don't want to break off. It's just a little bit more smooth. So we're going to be carving it and painting it today. So first we got to measure it out, draw it on the board, cut it out with the jigsaw, and then we'll start carving. After we get them cut out with a jigsaw, we're going to take the battery powered chainsaw and start filing down the feathers, shaping them, getting them to look like feathers. So I'm going to have to be really careful at the tips of the feathers. They're going to want to break off really easy. So that's one of the reasons why I'm using the battery powered saw. It's just a little more smooth than a gas powered saw. So after I have everything sanded, I'm going to take the die grinder and put in some really nice details in the feathers. So after a lot of sanding and shaping, we finally have it done. Now we are gonna take it to the finish room and paint it. We're gonna use an airbrush. We use 3 different colors: blue, purple, and pink. So now we got it all painted. You can really see the detail in the feathers. It really makes them stand out. Alright, we got them all finished, all painted up. I got them hanging on the fence so you can see what they look like. Give you a close-up here. So the angel wings, they were a fun thing to carve. In the meantime, which I did not show on camera, I also did another pair down here. Different color, a little bit taller, bigger. I'll show you some detail on these too. It's a kind of a sage green with a whitewash. But yeah, you could hang these on your wall. You can hang them above your bed. A lot of different ideas. You could even stand in front of them. I'll see if I can do this on camera. Stand in front of them, and looks like you have angel wings on. Yeah, both of these will be for sale on my Facebook page. It's linked in the description below. Check those out if you're interested. Yeah, next week, let's see, Friday, I have another new DIY project, fall decor, so you're not going to want to miss that. And let's see, next week, Tuesday, the carving video. I think we're going to tackle one of the big logs out front, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll have to watch to see. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching every week. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I'll see you guys next week Friday for DIY, and next week Tuesday for carving video. Thanks for watching.